So hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're not at home. We are actually in Morehead City, which is down by the coast in North Carolina, and we're here for the seafood festival. So we brought little man with us, so tomorrow we're gonna hit up the seafood festival, also let him see the beach. He's never come to the beach. I hate the beach. I hate sand. I hate everything about the beach, but seafood. So we're gonna be here, we're gonna eat a bunch of seafood. We were hoping to get here a little earlier this afternoon. It didn't happen, you know, life happens. But we are at, Hank's coming in. We are at the Doubletree Atlantic Beach, I think, something like that. So it's a pretty decent hotel. I mean, you know, it does the job. So I will see y'all in the morning at the seafood festival, or probably at the beach, because he's not going to let us not go to the beach. So see y'all in the morning. So good morning, y'all. It's the next day. We are at still the hotel, but little man has to see the beach, so we are seeing the beach reluctantly on my part, because I hate sand, but he's never been, so you do what you gotta do. So we're at the beach. Does sound nice though. Finally made it to the seafood festival. Got strawberry lemonade. Pretty steep. You know how much this lemonade was? $10. 11 if you use a card. Yeah. It's pretty delicious. You do get a lot of ice. I almost said no ice because I was like, Jesus. For $10. Alright, let's get some seafood. So we stopped at one of those food trucks, and I got me a hurricane. Hank got a gin and tonic. Mine's pretty delicious. Yours? Sorry. His is fine. Still need to find some seafood. Got some crab french fries. They're delicious. You like them? Yeah? Or no?
No.
You don't like them? Why are you eating them?
What, this?
Yeah.
No, those are fries.
Oh. Just got it by the CRAB because he thinks they're not on there. So, delicious.
Eat the women.
I also got some white cheddar popcorn from the same place, East Coast Vibes. And Hank got some, pulled pork egg rolls. How are they? Pretty solid. Can I have a bite? Let's see. That's pretty good. So we found a Raleigh company that did popsicles. I got me a strawberry cream. Jack got a strawberry lemonade. Can I try yours? I can't taste it? Yeah, can I taste your strawberry lemonade?
What did you get, strawberry?
So I hope y'all enjoyed the seafood festival. I had a lot of fun. It's a lot of good eats, a lot of fun little things for the littles. So if you've watched all this way, I appreciate you. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.